A shocking and emotional piece of news has emerged from the Bollywood music industry, leaving fans heartbroken and the entire fraternity stunned. Renowned playback singer Arijit Singh, who has ruled millions of hearts with iconic and soul-touching songs like Channa Merya, Achha Chalta Hoon Duaon Mein Yaad Rakhna, Phir Mohabbat Karne Chala Hai Tu, and Khairiyat Poocho Kabhi To, has officially announced his retirement from playback singing. The same sweet, soothing voice that gave a new identity to love, pain, heartbreak, and longing will no longer be heard in Bollywood films. This announcement has not only shocked his fans but has also deeply affected the entire music industry. Arijit Singh shared the news of his retirement through a social media post. In his message, he wrote, "Hello everyone, wishing you all a very happy new year. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for the immense love you have given me by listening to my songs all these years. I am happy to announce that from now on, I will not be taking any new assignments as a playback vocalist. I am bidding farewell to this profession. It has been a wonderful journey." As soon as the post went live, it went viral within minutes, and the comment section was flooded with reactions from fans and fellow musicians. Singer and music composer Amal Malik, who was also a contestant on Bigg Boss 19, reacted emotionally and wrote, "I am extremely shocked to hear this. This decision is beyond my understanding, but I respect your choice. Just know that I was, am, and will always remain an Arijit Singh fan." He further added, "If this is truly the reality, then there is no doubt that film music will never be the same without you, my brother. I feel fortunate to have been born in your era." Meanwhile, popular musician and internet sensation Yashraj Mukhake commented, "I think we are about to hear some amazing indie music now." Yashraj's comment has led many to believe that although Arijit Singh may have stepped away from playback singing, he might remain active in the industry as a music composer or indie artist. Fans are also hopeful that they will continue to experience his magical voice through live concerts. The reactions from fans were truly overwhelming and emotional. One fan wrote, "Tell us the truth, someone else posted this from your phone, right?" Another commented, "Never thought Achha Chalta Hoon would suit Arijit Singh himself." While another fan joked, "Today isn't even April 1st." Thousands of such comments reflected a mix of shock, unbelief, sadness, and endless love for the singer. Very few people know that Arijit Singh first rose to fame through the reality show Fame Gurukul, where he secured the 6th position. His first Bollywood song was Phir Mohabbat from the film Murder 2 2011, which he had actually recorded back in 2009. From that point onward, Arijit Singh never looked back. Arijit Singh's list of songs is endless. Some of his most memorable and super hit tracks include Tum Hi Ho, Chahun Main Ya Na, Tujhe Kitna Chahne Lage Hum, Kesariya, Channa Merya, Phir Le Aaya Dil, Hawaein, Khairiyat. These songs have given a voice to countless love stories and comforted millions of broken hearts. If this decision turns out to be final, it would not be wrong to say that a golden era of Bollywood music is coming to an end. Arijit Singh is not just a singer, he is an emotion whose voice turns pain into peace and love into devotion. What are your thoughts on this decision? Do you believe Arijit Singh was right to step away from playback singing, or should he have continued singing for films? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit like, share it with your friends, and for more such big updates, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.